Huh? Yeah. Hey guys, just after we're done talking the umbrella, um, I'm getting ready to create Steven that other train tank engine after Sarah and Bob Marley were all done, or, uh, yeah, the first row of the wheels are getting finished. I have the last row of the wheels to put on Sarah, and, Steven's gonna look really nice, so I should think about this. One, two. Guessing 8 in Ryder's drawing book, but yeah, it's pretty sunny out here right now. I had a bath, and Steven the tank engine is going to be really fun. And I will see you in the next video. Peace, everyone, and else.